Hi, Dr. Q and Joey Lynn here from Star Nursery. Achieving a natural, healthy balance to your landscape starts with putting the right plant in the right place.
This means far more than simply putting a sun-loving plant in your yard's sunny spot. You must also consider things like maintenance and water needs.
The main idea when planting plants in your landscape is not to waste time, energy, and money caring for a plant that is not adapted to the spot where it's planted. Position trees and large shrubs strategically to help warm and cool your home. Plant deciduous shade trees on the south and west sides of a house to cast shade in the summer and allow warming in the winter. And plant evergreen trees or large shrubs on the north side to block cold winter winds.
Turf grass thrives in sunny areas, but most types do not grow well in dense shade. In shady spots, plant shade-tolerant ground covers instead of turf. Also use ground covers on slopes where grass is difficult to maintain. If you want to attract more wildlife, provide flowering and fruiting plants to bring birds and butterflies into your yard.
Always be aware of a plant's mature size when you purchase it. You don't want it to outgrow the spot you planted in. Consider buying dwarf species for small spaces to reduce pruning needs and overcrowding. Always give plants enough room to grow to full size. Think ahead. Don't plant trees that grow large beneath power lines, close to your house, or in any potentially hazardous sites.
Even the best planting practices will not help a plant to thrive if it's poorly suited for a particular site. Some site conditions to keep in mind when selecting landscaped plants include light availability, intensity and duration, water availability, exposure to wind and temperature extremes, soil type, drainage or compaction, hardiness zone, competition from existing vegetation, below ground conditions, and above ground wires or obstructions.
The grouping of trees and shrubs according to their water needs, fertilizing, and maintenance will go a long way to ensure good plant health.
For more information on this topic, visit us at starnursery.com or on our free app.
And don't forget, we make house calls. Stop by your local Star Nursery location or call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. Star Nursery, your garden's partner for every bloomin' thing.
I'm Joey Lynn.
And I'm Dr. Q, and we'll see you again next week.